I'm without a main computer these days. It crashed again. So I'm just gonna, with my cell phone here, give you a little glimpse of what one of our Saturday chores. Sometimes we do this on Saturdays. We go to the local pet and feed in order to stock up on some of the chicken foods and duck foods. Ultimately, I'd like to live without commercial grain input for my chickens, but I'm not there yet. So I'm here with Luke.
And that fought Weasel.
That's right. We're gonna go in. He has a list.
And rabbit food.
That's right. He's going to go in there and order and pay for this all by himself. Right, Luke?
Right.
Okay, let's go inside.
Okay.
Tell him what you need, bud.
Hello, fat Weasel. 1 rabbit food.
How many flock raisers do you need?
2.
Does he know what kind of rabbit food you need?
A wee bad.
The green one?
The big one? Is that it?
Okay, so 2 the flock raiser and the rabbit food. Okay. It is $51.39.
$51.39. How much do you have, bud?
$52 out of $51.39. 61 cents here.
We're gonna get you.
I ate the last donut. I don't have it.
Here's your receipt. And 61 cents of your change. Sorry about that.
What are you telling, bud?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now we have to pull around to the back where they load it up in our little truck. Thank you, sir.
No problem. You guys have a good one.
All right, you too. All right. Ready to go home?
Yes.
Now we get to go home and unload this in the rain. This is our country road. And this horse farm over here, that's where we get some of our horse manure. Actually, that's where we get all of our horse manure. He lets me come down and pick that up. And we're right up the road here at the dead end. We're on the farm. We pulled around the house. Now we're coming up. This is the daddy. That's right. We're gonna unload them. This is the Daddykirbs garden. Kind of a mess with sheets and everything. And that's the shed we're getting ready to move. And here's our chickens. My mirror just fell out today, just now. And here's some of our chickens and ducks.
You ready to be fed?
You see the ducks, they're sitting on a compost pile on the inside. I've been turning that pile in the coop and they eat the worms and stuff out of it. And then they climb on it and dig around. So yeah, we're gonna park the truck.
Empties.
And then we're gonna do what?
Unload them.
We're gonna unload the bags and we're gonna put them in the cans, right?
And feed them.
That's right. Here we go.
Here we go.
You're a big boy carrying that 50-pound bag.
Any more foliage, man? Yeah.
Okay, feed the birds.
Yeah.
Okay. Put the can lid on all the way. Good job. And while we're in here, we'll go ahead and collect some silky eggs. That nest box needs cleaned out. Hey, sweetie. You got anything? And that's it. We're going to take the rabbit food inside for the rabbits. And that's a wrap for this Saturday morning's feed chores. We'll talk to you soon.